In this video, we're going to be working on a GMC Yukon XL. We're going to be changing the oil on it. The oil filter is located underneath next to the oil pan. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the drain plug. Use a 15mm wrench. Loosen it up. Make sure you have a drain bucket underneath. Let it drain out. Take the drain plug. You want to use a pick and just take the seal off. Throw that away. Get a new seal. Put the new seal on. Take the drain plug. Once that's all drained out, now we're going to put the drain plug back in. Now we'll torque the drain plug to 18 foot-pounds. Using an oil filter wrench, we're going to take the oil filter off. Make sure you have a drain bucket underneath as well. Let that drain out. Now take the oil filter off, just spin it. You want to make sure that the gasket is not still up there. Just take a rag and you can wipe around where the seal is going to seal. And just take a little bit of engine oil, fresh oil, and put it on the seal. Just rub it on. It's going to make it seal better, and when you go to take it off next time, it'll come off easier. Slide that up. Once it bottoms out, you want to go another 3/4 of a turn to almost 1 full turn. That's good. Just take a rag and wipe off any of the excess. If you need to, you can use some brake parts cleaner. Take the oil cap off, and on the oil cap, normally you can see what type of oil you should be using. 0W20 and Dexos compatible. We're going to put a funnel in there. And for this vehicle, it takes about 8 quarts of oil. So we're going to start with 7.5. Put 7.5 in, check it, and then top off if we need to. Take the funnel out, put the cap on, and now we're going to start it up. And shut it off after about 15 seconds. Pull the dipstick out, wipe it off with a rag, reinsert the dipstick all the way down. Wait about 3 seconds, pull it out again, and double check. You want the fluid level to be a little bit on the higher side of the hash marks. So we're more on the lower side, so we can add that extra 1/2 quart. Put the dipstick back and adjust accordingly. And you can double check the level. And it looks like it's on the higher part of the hash marks, which is exactly where we want. Not quite all the way to the dot, but just about 1/4 of the way down. That's all set. Put the dipstick away. and close the hood. Now we're going to use the steering wheel controls with the key on, and you're going to look in the center of the cluster, scroll down, and there where you are at oil life, and we're going to hold the check mark button down. Till it beeps, and then you let go and you're at 100%. Then you can scroll back where you were.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.